Yes, let's pump water. Can you see that? We are pumping water. This water comes straight into our garden. So there is another pipe network that goes into the ground and is connected to this right here. That's the garden sprinkler. So now when I lock this, water goes up into the reservoir tank up there. Then right here, when I put on this switch, you see this switch, and I put it on, that's the sprinkler at work. Oh, I'm getting wet. So this is a brief system showing how I water my garden, the irrigation system I'm using. So these crops are fresh throughout all the different seasons. Rainy season, we don't really need the sprinkler system. But when it's dry season, it really comes into play and it works very well for us. Then it's really effective in helping us maintain a very beautiful, healthy, vibrant garden. A good garden that's growing well will produce good fruits and reward you very well. Your watering is very important. That is why you have beautiful fruits, well, healthy fruits like this. Soon we're going to be harvesting this. These are lemons and they're very rich and they're very good for your health. Good for cooking, good for taking direct, good for dressing. Just one of the wonderful fruits you can use. Keep yourself in good health. And here we have moringa. Over here we have the ladyfinger okra. And this is bitter leaf. Another wonderful plant. Very wonderful plants. Good at doing lots of things for your body. And here this is our young oil palm tree. This one is young. So we'll be producing fruits. So I'm going to be making an extended video extensively explaining the irrigation process I have applied in my garden. So until that time, enjoy the rest of your day. Like, share, comment. Bye.